What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I spiced up my hair with this side part, just stick around. So guys, I wore my hair like this the day before and I was like, oh, I wish I would have filmed this. So you're seeing an old hairdo from the day before that I'm refreshing with some water. And I'm just gonna take my leave-in and just moisturize my hair. And you're going to see me use a lot of product in this video because I want my hair really defined. It kind of makes the part stick out if your curls are really popping. So I'm going to use a lot of gel in this video to just make sure I get the overall defined look that I want at the end. So I'm just taking my gel and just making sure it's really applied at the root. And as you can see, the back and the sides of my hair is already done. I lost the footage, unfortunately. So I'm going to go in and just define the side part. And I'm going to take that same gel, the main choice gel, and I'm just going to apply it to that area that's under the part so it'll slick down and just make the part stand out more. And then I'm just going to do the remainder of my hair. Leave-in, no oil, and gel. I used to do the lock method, but for some reason I feel like the oil wasn't staying in after I added my gel. So I just apply my oil after my hair dry. I don't know why, but it works for me, so that's what I do. And any areas that started to dry without me putting any product on it, I just went back in and sprayed it with the water bottle. I'm just raking all that product in all over my hair. As you can see, everything looks really defined and there's a lot of product. So the products look white, but trust me, it's going to dry clear. So this is what I think is the most important part of the tutorial. Of this side part is the bobby pins. So I'm using bobby pins in that part area to just make sure that the part doesn't close in, because when your hair dry it's going to swell a little and you don't want your part to just get covered by your hair once it dries. So that's why I'm going in with some gel and a toothbrush, and I'm going to add 3 bobby pins. So the bobby pins, you want to add them in like an X. So you see I'm sticking that one in diagonally. Then I'm going to go and stick the second in and cross it over the first one to form an X. And then the third one, I'm going to just stick it up the middle. So it's an X with a bobby pin sticking through the middle of it. And when your hair dries, it's going to cover up the bobby pin so you don't have to worry about people seeing the pins in your hair. And the last steps is just going in and slicking down your edges. You know your edges have to be laid at all times. So I'm just going in with my toothbrush and Eco Styler gel and just laying down my edges on the other side. So when it dries the way I want it to. I had to take off my glasses so I can get that part up under the frame. So guys, it looks like it's gonna be a bomb turnout. Like, this is probably my best wash and go to date. Although I didn't wash my hair, I just refreshed it with some water. But I think I'm going to love the results. So guys, I'm loving how this hairstyle turned out. I received so many compliments the day I wore my hair like this. I've been wearing my hair like this every day since. So let me know if you're feeling it. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. Thank you again for tuning in.
You know, just taking it slow, babe. Somebody show me the road.